I'm not mad at it at all. But these two have my heart. Welcome to another New Makeup Monday. This is my series that I post every single Monday where I test out a new product, test out a bunch of new products, or I talk about new makeup like a will I buy it or an anti-haul, which I haven't done an anti-haul in like forever. It's coming soon though, I'm pretty sure. I just have a lot of new makeup to test out, but for today's video I'm going to be testing out the Rare Beauty palettes. My hubby actually got them for me for Christmas. So what we did on Christmas morning, was it Christmas morning or was it Christmas Eve? I don't remember, but we went on the Sephora app and I was like, just browse through here and pick what you think I would like and buy it for me. He did actually show me what he bought before he actually bought it because I was afraid that I would already have it, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't have it in my collection, and he chose these. I'm not mad at it at all. So I'm gonna be doing a 2 palettes with these. I'm gonna use one palette on each eye because I want to test them out. I have not tried the formula of Rare Beauty. I really love Selena Gomez and I love her whole brand. I love her whole aesthetic of it. I just wasn't really that intrigued by it when it first launched, so I wasn't like running out to grab it for some reason. These palettes have been on my mind for quite some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches of each palette, and I'm gonna use one palette on each eye just to see how the formula is, and I'm so excited. But before I get into it, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell for videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And I would also love for you to head over to my other social media. Instagram mainly, I post every single day there, pretty much every weekday. That's my goal this year, but I want to try posting more often. And yeah, let's get into this video. I honestly don't know which one I'm more excited for. This one's called Confident Energy and this one's called Magnetic Spirit. I just love everything about Selena. Like, I think she's such a good role model for kids. Like, she's never in like a lot of drama. Look at this packaging. It really reminds me of the Urban Decay, what's that one called? Stone Vibes palette. I could not remember it. It really does have very similar packaging. It's actually kind of hard to open. The only reason I wasn't running out to buy these palettes is because they are all shimmer. Both of them are all shimmer. So it just kind of freaks me out a little bit, but I really want to see how the formula looks. And I'm actually just going to use these palettes in this video in case you own these palettes, so you can get some ideas on what looks you can create with these palettes. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cute. It says you are rare. The packaging on the inside also says you are rare. They're really, really pretty. I love the color stories of both of them, to be honest. Like, I would be happy with either of these in my collection, but I am really excited to try these out. I would rather have an all matte palette than an all shimmer palette, but if the formula is good, I'm totally happy to have these as a part of my collection because you can go ahead and use each individual shade as a lid shade when you're using another palette. Like, I'm not one that actually thinks about using multiple palettes for some reason. I try to create looks that use just one palette in case you don't have a big collection like I do. I have a huge eyeshadow collection, but now that I have these, I'm definitely going to be using them a lot, like in conjunction with some other palettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each palette and then I'll come back and discuss. Magnetic Spirit is the one with the purple color scheme. Confident Energy is the one with the blue-green color scheme. Swatches are done. I have so much to say. Okay, first of all, swatching them was so easy. They're so buttery, they're so smooth. I'm obsessed. I love them all, to be honest. Like, they're all really, really pretty, but these two have my heart. This one has my heart. This one reminds me of one in the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette because it has that duochrome shift from blue to purple, which is my favorite type of duochrome. Beautiful, stunning shade. This one has my heart in this palette. I have so many ideas of looks that I can create with just these palettes, and I have also so many ideas of looks I can create combining other palettes, and I have looks that I could create with both of these palettes, but really I want to create 2 looks with each palette separately in case you only own one of these palettes and just need ideas on what to do. But I'm so excited, guys. This is so stunning. We're gonna start with this eye. We're gonna start with the Magnetic Spirit. I like that the shade names are on the back. I really want to use this shade, but I might save that for another day. I'm gonna keep with these themes. I'm gonna try to use as many shades as possible, but I'm gonna do kind of like the same shape of look on each eye, just using different colors. It's gonna be a cut crease, kind of like winged out situation. I'm gonna start with the dark purple first, which is called Clarity. Hopefully I don't need a setting spray. I don't think I do. They swatch so nicely. Now let's hope that there's not a lot of fallout, first of all, and that they perform well on the eyes with just a brush. So far, this is absolutely stunning. There is a little bit of fallout. It's to be expected with really pigmented shimmer shades. Oh, it comes off really easily. This is such a stunning shade. Like literally purple is my favorite thing in the whole wide world. So I'm just packing it on. What you want to do with shimmer shades like this is just pack on. I'm gonna take the shade next to it next, and I'm just gonna use the other side of the same brush, to be honest. This is called Grounded. And I'm just gonna put that right next to it and blend it toward the purple. This is stunning, guys. Just making sure to really blend over the purple so that there's a nice gradient in there. And the last shade I'm going to take, well, not the last shade, but one of the last shades, is called Position. And this is the one I'm pretty excited for, even though there's like a really similar shade in the Be Perfect palette. I just can't wait to see how it compares. This one might be more of a topper. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. So you know what I might do is actually just take in some more of this shade. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty. And then I'm gonna put some of this over top in that inner portion so that it looks a little bit different. There you go. So this is definitely more like a topper. That's exactly what I thought. Guys, I am obsessed. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Power, right? Yeah, Power. And this is like the pretty inner corner highlight, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's stunning. No setting spray, no nothing, and it's still so beautiful. I'm loving this. All right, so I'm gonna take the same shades I took on the top, to be honest. That shade is stunning, guys. I love it. I definitely think that this shade right here is more of a pressed glitter, and this one also seems that the same formula, but these are just like shimmers in the middle. Yeah, they definitely seem a little different. Even when swatching them, I could tell that there was something different about them. This is look number 1 complete with the, what's this called again? Magnetic Spirit palette. I'm really loving this so much so far, but I'm really excited for this because that blue, like literally I think out of both palettes, that blue is my favorite. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye, and hopefully I can make the shapes match a little bit. But the first shade I'm gonna go in with is the blue. This is called Willpower. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take the shade Boost. I love this type of green too. Oh my god, the color combo of these two is giving me life. Right, and the last shade I'm gonna take is this gold, which is called Strong. Oh, it's stunning. I really like this gradient effect that it's giving. So pretty. This is really unique. It's a unique looking gold. Honestly, this is so pretty. I'm like so happy with this. Let's do the lower lash line. I'm honestly shocked that I like these palettes as much as I do. I'm gonna take, oh, I forgot to mention this shade. This is a really pretty, it's interesting. It has like a blue undertone, like blue-green shift with like white dual chrome. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But that's going in the inner corner. It's called Elevate. I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. All right, so this is the completed look. My final thoughts. Oh my gosh, I'm super impressed with the quality of these eyeshadows. I think they're super worth the money. Definitely worth the $25. I think that you can create a lot of looks with just these palettes alone, or you could use them in conjunction with anything else in your collection. They'll add like such a nice, bright, beautiful, shimmery like shade to any look. Oh my gosh, if I had to choose one over the other though, I do have to say I would choose this one. I need to remember the name of this. The Confident Energy. It's ridiculous at this point, only because I am a really colorful person, and I also think you can, like, these are pretty neutrals, like two pretty neutrals. I mean, a pink is also, it could be considered neutral, but I'm such a colorful person that I just prefer this. But if you love purples, and I love purples, trust me, purple is one of my favorite colors for sure, I definitely would recommend this one. I definitely recommend them both. I think they're pretty affordable for like what they are. The quality is insane. I want to try more from Rare Beauty, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know if you've tried Rare Beauty before. What do you think of these palettes? What do you think of this look? Which side do you prefer? I think you know my opinion already. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Welcome to another new Makeup Monday. Welcome to another new Makeup Monday. I'm so excited to do this video today because welcome to another new Makeup Monday. This is my series that I post and do one look on each eye with using each palette. I just realized I need to change the light color. I'm not like, oh, I'm starving. Oh, some got in my eyeball.